Moravian University's uniqueness is in the environment. So as soon as you step on campus, it doesn't feel like you're just lost. You feel seen and you feel heard.
Moravian University attracted me for a lot of reasons. They had a really good reputation. Their program was really attractive. They made it fit with the adult working lifestyle. During the program at Moravian as a student nurse, they really tried to put you in the role as much as they could without taking responsibility for the patient.
My clinical experience for the accelerated nursing program led me to working there full time. So I've been on the same unit that I observed at for almost 4 years now.
The hands-on experience is really kind of unreplaceable. I think it really shows.
My favorite part about the Moravian nursing program is the staff.
The teachers really wanted to see us succeed, and you really felt like the teachers were invested in you.
I've never felt so supported going through a rigorous program.